everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Partners in Cream. This is a project that was created by Steph Lyons and Delynn, and I'm going to have those beautiful ladies listed down below, and I believe there is a sign up / spreadsheet that I will link down below. In my brain, I can't keep track of who has what, where, in which projects, but if it exists for you to find other people, I'm going to link it down below because this is my brain. This is my brain on doing too many things at once. All right, let's get into this. If you are not familiar with this project, you're living under a rock because this is round 2, I believe. Yes, I'm pretty sure it's round 2. It is Partners in Cream, but it can be cream products, liquid products, gel, any kind of non-powder, anything that has any kind of moisture. I know a lot of people hate that word. Anything that could potentially go bad faster. That is what is in this project. No powder products allowed, because those tend to last a little bit longer, especially if you sanitize, disinfect them on a regular basis. They last a heck of a lot longer. So anywho, let's get into this. It is a year long. It's technically 11 months, January 10 to December 10, and I think it was anywhere from 3 to 6 products. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what I started with. Then I put in a usage product because my stuff wasn't going anywhere and I didn't want this to be boring. So I put in a usage product, and so 6 products is what I have in. I don't have an empty, but I do have my goal met on my usage products, which I'll take it. I'll take it. We got some kind of movement. I'm going to take it. That product is for number 7. It is the Lift and Illuminate Primer, and I enjoyed it. It doesn't take care of the oily girlness that I have going on here, but it's Illuminate, so it's got like that dewy glow within kind of look. I did appreciate that a whole lot when it was cooler out. Now it is as hot as the face of the sun with 50+% humidity. That's just what you get here in the Mid-Atlantic. I enjoyed it a whole lot, but it's definitely not going to be a summer kind of primer for me. It started at 37 grams. I wanted to use it till it got to 30 grams, which is there right now. But it's going to go back in my collection to play with at a later date. I enjoyed it a lot, though. All right, now we got to get into the products that keep rolling over again and again and again. And they're going to keep rolling over for a while because they won't die. They won't. The first one is the Maybelline Color Drama in Strip Down. I really haven't used this a whole lot because I've been working on a liquid lipstick that is a very similar color to this. And that one won't die either. Why did I think it was a good idea to put so many lip products in? I don't know. The next one. Another lip product is what I'm wearing today. This is Buxom Wine Me. The weight has not gone down. I've used the heck out of it, clearly. I wear this all the time. I get compliments on it all the time. It's just not going anywhere. It is lasting forever. So it is still at 6 grams. I haven't even taken the stopper out yet, which is kind of crazy. I mean, will I even need to take the stopper out of this little guy? I don't know. If anyone has panned one, let me know how long it took you, because yeah, it's lasting forever. All right, next is, you guessed it, a lip product. It is the e.l.f. Lip Lock Pencil. I really didn't use this in the past month. It's basically, there's more in it than that, but it's basically like a lip liner that's clear, which it's not a bad idea to have it. I just haven't used it. All right, and then I have the ColourPop Jelly Much Shadow on the Fly. I have a little bit of progress on this. I don't think I took a picture from last time, but I will show it to you. I actually do have it on my lids today. This is what that looks like. Definitely making some progress. I'm enjoying the heck out of this thing. I know a lot of people are like anti-Jelly Much because they do dry out extremely quickly. I just add... like I have contact solution, eye drops kind of thing. And I just put a couple of drops in like once a month and it's perfect. And I don't have a problem rehydrating it. It works for me and I like them. I like the way that they apply. I don't know. It's just, I like it. I actually like them better than the Super Shock shadows, though I've only ever done like the glitter Super Shocks. So I don't know you know, compared to like a normal Super Shock. All right, more ColourPop. And the last product in here, I forgot to draw my line, but this is the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Puppy. And I'm going to try to line it up without breaking it. I can technically make a new line. It's not going to be a whole lot lower. I've got my big old fingers in the way. Yeah, I've used it, but not a ton. And this is going to be a focus for me in the coming month because I have another eyeshadow that pairs really well with this that I want to focus on in the next month. And so this one's going to get a whole lot of usage. Don't know if I can finish it, but we'll see how it goes. As of right now, even though I am rolling out a product because I met the goal on it, I am not going to add a new product in right now because I have like a lot of projects that I'm working on, a lot of products that I'm working on, and because I at least had something exciting happen for this update, and it's certainly not my speaking, I'm just gonna like call it like this is the excitement for the update. If I don't have anything empty by the next update, I will probably roll in a new usage product just to have some kind of something in each update so it's not completely bland. So wish me luck that I can finish something in the next month. I really hope so. This, I don't know that it's ever going to end because, you know, I don't know. But again, I'm going to really work on this one a whole lot. I'm going to use it every chance I get. If I'm wearing a warm color, I'm probably going to be wearing orange for the next month until it's done or that other eyeshadow is done. So, or, you know, we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.